Okay, on my way to work. Just coming into Dorchester now, and we have thunder and lightning. Yep, just missed that over to my left. But there's also some straight ahead of me, so it's kind of surrounded. I think you might have saw that. Oh. It doesn't help I'm walking under trees, by the way. But unfortunately this is the route I have to take. It's getting right overhead now, so that's not good. Look at you. Just off to my left there. I think it's also over my way actually, because I've just walked in. Yep. Sorry for the bouncing around, but I've got to get into work. Well, get in to get my lift to work. Almost there. Yeah, there's two actually. There's a cell right in front of me, the way I'm walking, and there's also one off to my left, which I believe is actually over my way, back home, so that's cool. Right. Under trees again, not good. I hate this sticky mugginess, it's horrible. I'm not surprised it's thundering. God. It's like walking in an oven, it's horrible. Phew. Right, well we made it to the town, it's good. safe. Rumbling around. Alright, change my shoes.